Want to find remote work for free? Hubstaff Talent connects freelancers with global companies looking for talent. And the best part is, it's completely free. Sign up, create a profile, and start browsing job listings to find your next remote gig. No fees, just great opportunities. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Hubstaff Talent. All I have to do right now is just open your browser and dive into hubstafftalent.net. Then you'll find this page as you can see. First, let's know what is it. This Hubstaff Talent. So it's a free online platform that connects freelancers with companies offering remote work opportunities. It allows freelancers to create a profile showcasing their skills, experience, and expertise, while companies can also post job listings to find talent. Unlike many other platforms, Hubstaff Talent doesn't charge any fees, making it a cost-effective resource for both freelancers and employers as well. So firstly, all I have to do right now is just click over post a job. Then you'll find a page which is this one. You have post a remote job. Free Hubstaff Talent is for jobs that can be worked on remotely. Please use English. Have just to tell us about your job. So for example, here the job title. And then you have just here to describe your job. What are the job requirements, skills, if it's account management, admin, Airbnb management, entrepreneurship, appointment setting, Asana, Atlassian. Here we have also here benefits administration, biology, bookkeeping, and a lot of things. We have here what does this job pay. We have job type. Of if is it here for hourly contract, fixed price, or we have here 40 hours per week. We have about the pay rate. You have just here to, for example, add here, for example, 8. You have just to put it like more per hour. It will just here, for example, like that 100 an hour. We have a question. Do you want to ask candidate? Question 1 and another question. Then we have the company name. Plus about here a little about your company name, company website, the company country as well, company state region. Also we have a company city as well. Job visibility will find here everyone, only invited users or only me. Then we have here create a free account. There are no fees. Your account is used to notify you of applications and for messaging candidate. About the full name, you have here, you have to enter your first and last name, your email address, your password, and you confirm the password. You post your job for 60 days free. So it's very easy to do that. You have just to follow the steps and then you get started and you post your job. Or you can just here, if you already have an account, click over sign in. You will find a page which is this one. You have just to enter your email and your password. If it's your first time, you click over get started and you have just to add your full name, your email address, your password, and confirm the password, and you click over agree to terms and you sign up. And then you'll find a page which is the one. You have verify your email. You are in, head over to your email and hit that beautiful confirm account put on to start working. And that's it right now for Hubstaff and how it works. You have just to follow the steps and you post your jobs. So after sign up for Hubstaff Talent, you have just to complete your profile by adding your skills, experience, and various things such as previous work. So browse job remote job listings from companies worldwide, filter results based on your expertise and preferences, apply directly to the positions that interest you, start connecting employers, all with no fees involved. So we have also here, if you want to search for the profile, select also here if you want to search profiles or search jobs, and then we have here how it works with this one. So we have pros, top agencies, and freelancers, then contact them directly. No fees, no markups, no middlemen, and work on any platform you choose. So we have start profile or add your agency. I will just here click for start profile, and then we have how we can do that. The same thing that I already mentioned. Add your agency. You'll find it a page. So the same thing. So add your full name, password, confirm the password, and Here we have how Hubstaff Talent works. Business owners, you have just firstly here, both agencies and freelancers contact the team of your choice jointly, decide on the work terms, start work on any platform you choose, get work done with an awesome team. We have agencies, we have here add your agency, start a profile with here for your agency, add team members to the profile, companies, find your team members, we display your contact information, get work done with an awesome team. Right, about freelancers, we have start profile as a freelancer, add your skills to the profile, companies find your profile, get contacted directly by these companies. Then the last thing we have here, work with a company and get paid directly. All right. So to create a profile today, you have just to add your agency or sign up as a freelancer. So it's the same thing, and as your agency, you have the full name, email address, as I mentioned before. So we have just to search right now here if we want to start profile browse jobs, as you can see, and here we have also, if we scroll down browse by skill, we have development. If it's web development, JavaScript, data scripting, CSS, HTML, and we have marketing and sales, social media marketing, email marketing, Facebook advertising, of marketing, and then we have here design and multimedia, such as graphic design, Photoshop, video production, editing, logo design, photo editing. We have here writing and contact, copywriting, content writing, editing, and proofreading. And we have contact creation as well. You have just to select the one you want. Also, we have a database and IT admin. We have business consultant as well. And here we have view all categories. We have available right now. If visit here, this one, we have how much profiles, how much agencies, how much countries, and how much jobs. Also, we have top agencies, digital sites such as project management, business analysis, and we have business development, agile, scrum, risk management. We have your filter top, and we have here browse by country, and that's it for this one. Also, if you have here, if you want more information, click our blog, contact us, teams, privacy, and contact guidelines. So, Hubstaff Talent is a great no-cost freelance it's a great no-cost platform for freelancers to find remote jobs or for opportunities. With a simple sign-up process and a profile that highlights your skills, you can easily connect with global employers. It's a convenient and free way to explore remote work and expand your freelance career. So this is how it works with this platform. You can just get started as soon as possible. It's very easy to use this platform, and that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.